Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Temu app. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Temu app and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. Then you will go to Play Store, you will search about Temu app and then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.